Hi, my name's Bryan. I'm the Community Programs Coordinator with ARA. One of the programs that ARA runs is the Social Support Program, which matches local volunteers with people who have arrived to Australia as refugees to help them settle in well. The volunteers help their new friends in a number of different ways by helping them to practice speaking English, learning about Australian culture and customs, getting more connected into the local services and the community, and just having a friend. Being invited to someone else's house is a great thing if you're a new arrival, and really helps them to feel settled and welcome. Of course, it's a win-win situation because for the volunteer as well, they also get to learn about someone from a different culture and to make a new friend themselves. Volunteering is, of course, a great way for people to be able to engage, to learn more about life in Australia, and to make them feel like that they're making a purposeful contribution. So we help people to access meaningful volunteer opportunities and run some workshops, including one that's called How Volunteering Can Help You Find a Job. But of course, volunteering is much more than that. It is, as I said, about that idea about a sense of belonging and connection and the ability to make new friends through that experience. Some of the other things that we do as well is to work with leaders and people from different cultural groups. We can help them by training them about how to run committee meetings, but also about guest speakers, and some of those can be around health issues. And that's one of the things that they can learn about, a whole range of health issues through that. I also have the privilege to be able to work with a range of, or three in particular, amazing women that run cultural support groups for women from Afghan, Bhutanese and Syrian backgrounds. The last thing I'd like to talk about is our amazing Settlement Action Network meetings that we have, which brings together a whole range of people from government, from non-government organisations, from community leaders, researchers and interested individuals, just to help people to collaborate and learn from each other and how we can really make a difference in the lives of new arrivals. So if you're interested in any of these programs, please give me a call. I'd love to talk with you. Thank you.